decision, dapat mo intervene na. Ngayon na dahil, nahusay din mo na sila. Even in the lowest level of the government, kanang sa barangay na ang nahusay, no? Hihusay ka ninyo, nag-away ninyo, o nagka-problema ng empleyado. Wala, pero kung sila nag-abot sa iyong reklamo. Pero nakita ninyo, na naanay nag-away. Diba? So, you must be proactive enough to show or handle these problems. No? That is why, as HR managers in your respective fields or units, you must possess this conflict management and conflict resolution skills or competence. You need this, especially kung pataas na ka sa ladder of your organization. No? Okay na sa mga lawyers. Because lawyers, that is their work. To defend, no? The client, the rights of the clients. Kung for example, may away niya, ato ka mamata na sa lawyers, so may buhaton. Never siguro that they will mention or seldom that they will mention to settle it to your organization. Naroon mga lawyers dito. Yan, kada division. So, kung ako'y palutan nun, ordinarily, if you are a lawyer, let's say, you will file a case. Kahit ka kaso. Attorney, kasi ko, ayaw na, may kasumanan na natin kay, grabe na ang pagdaw sa inyo. Grabe na ang pagdaw sa inyo. Mabaw na si Lawyer. Di para pagkabot ko sa korte, Your Honor, good morning, Your Honor, I am personally appearing as counsel of the accused. Walang hindi. Wala ko material time, we need to schedule this next Monday. Your Honor, please. I need to speak, Your Honor, because my client is here and traveled from around the house. Order na si Judge, wala na, suspended. Ano siya pastilan, sa nila mga appearance. Kasi niya sa mga yung honor, wala pa kitang taon. No? Okay lang. Well, because that is your work. But if you are the HR manager, do not resort to filing cases immediately. Wala ay, makasinabot sa inyo, yan din ka. Dali na, lumuluhan. Ikaw, alam niya, ikaw kasuhin na siya. Isa na healthy. Why? Action of an HR manager? No. That is why you need to know how to manage conflict, how to resolve conflict. By the way, conflict management and conflict resolution is different. I will discuss it later. Some use it interchangeably, ngayon ka, mag-conflict management ka, or conflict resolution. But, nakais kayo na lahat na scope, an area, and objective or purpose. Okay? So, it is a requirement for our managers to have skills. This is a critical ability for current and future managers. Okay, this is good. What will be restored is the harmony in the workplace. And it will ultimately affect performance. It will ultimately affect productivity of our people. Okay, so that is conflict management and conflict resolution. So please bear with me the next 1.5 hours, I think. I will try to provide you important inputs that will help you understand conflict management and conflict resolution. Ang pangutana, why should we resolve or manage conflict? Why? Because that is beneficial to all the parties, especially in the organization. Nakasuway mo, inyong mga sakusin away. My first challenge when I was appointed as the Chief of the Legal Services Division, 1 month ako, nag-away ng aking mga bagulang ng mga staff. Ang isa, 55, ako sa 50. By that time, I was still 27. Ang siya mo na ng mga baktik na ng kainit. So, nakunsa na mo, ay suser, kanakot siya. Nag-share ko, siya no, pero wala, kasama ko gabi. Hala, istorya hita. Istorya sa, ang sinabot talakot mo, ay mo na rin ka. Ay, ngayon malaman kasi nga ang sinabot nga, kanino kayo na sa service ikaw, karong pa kami sa kamunan pa. Ako, bisa ka rin mga rin. I lacked that skill before. Ano yan, kita. Kung saan mo na rin ako, saan ako may mga kaso? Ngayon ito ko, we have documents to show and prove that this person has been neglectful of his tao, his functions. Wala na ba, sir? Kaya naman isuton ko niya, sir, niya. Morang iyari kong binuangan niya sa sila. Kaso ang pinuuna. Pero, our regional director, napatabang ko siya, ayos siya. We have procedures in office, which I will mention later. We have to settle it at the lowest level possible. Hindi natin siya sumubog na yun, but we have to resolve that because what nakabalo, the root cause of the problem is nangarapod sa organization. No? So, muna yung itong problema. No? Diretso na to. Kaso na yun. Muna, ipatabang ko sa mong RD, ningon si RD. Sige, patawag, dito ko. Winston, halik na rin, para maminaw ka sa tukso. Ipangutana, ng both parties, given the time to air their sentiments, their side, may to come up with alternative options, and ultimately, nainigawas option that is favorable to both parties. Both of them will be assigned to other units. At least, di na sila nagpupan. And after 2 years, balik na po sila mag-friends. And it being the decision to file immediately an administrative case, what do you think will happen? Posible na yung masuspend, posible na yung ma-dismiss, ang inyong opisina ng masafra. That is the work. One important task of a regional manager, to be the champion of all, and not just to be the champion of one of your direct reports. Okay. So, the purpose there is to understand the parties, possibly because of the clash of ideas or beliefs, to ensure that your relationship with others continue and grow, because you always treat your staff, your boss, your co-employees as members of your second family. And that is your organization. The purpose of conflict management or conflict resolution, kung as much as possible, is to find peaceful and fair solutions to these difficult situations. So before we proceed, let us define what is